Here's a really cool AI website that I came across recently that will design your own beautiful brand if you don't have the budget. It's called Looker AI, and here's what it's about. Head over to Looker, type your company name in here. I've just typed in bubblegum to make something up, and go get started. And then you pick your industry. So let's go confectionery. Actually, let's just go business consulting because it's come up. We'll go continue. And then you start to pick the design that you like. You'll use it as inspiration, pick the color, and it'll ask you to add a slogan that is optional, pick some symbols that you like, and it'll take you through a whole series, and that'll start to generate some logos for you. Now, obviously, I didn't do this correctly, but it's starting to give me some ideas. Now, if I did this properly, this would have generated a lot better. It's really cool. It'll ask you some symbols that you sort of like. It'll give you 5 different options to choose inspiration from. It'll literally give you hundreds of different things to choose from. And then it'll populate you with 30, 40, 50 different content design ideas. Once you narrowed it down, you can choose a logo from $20. And if you wanted to, you can then choose your whole marketing around it. You can choose letterheads, business cards, whatever you like. So a really great idea if you're a startup business and don't have the budget.